Welcome back to Real World Business Analysis YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and for giving your like. If you have not done so, please like and subscribe to access all training content. This is a great place to start the journey. This first session sets the foundation for everything that follows. Please note that to make this session interactive, participants are encouraged to share their thoughts in the comment section whenever requested. All responses will be acknowledged and responded to in due course. In this session, we will learn about the role of a business analyst in an organization or business, including what they do, who they work with, and the value they bring and how the role supports organizations and businesses in achieving their goals. To gain a clear understanding of the role, we need to provide answers to the following key questions. 1. What is a business? 2. What is analysis? 3. What is business analysis? 4. Who then is a business analyst? And 5. What are the skills and competences of a business analyst? As part of this module, we'll walk through some common interview questions for those who want to pursue a career in business analysis. Let us now begin by looking at the questions one after the other. 1. What is a business? Please pause the video and go to the comment section and add your thoughts in response to the question. A business is an organized entity that provides goods or services to customers in order to create value. What is an entity? For the purpose of this session, an entity is defined as an organization, company, government agency, or business. This definition may vary in other technical or professional contexts. So, a business is an organization that provides goods or services to customers in order to create value. That value may be profit for private organizations, or social impact or public value for government or nonprofit organizations. A business typically involves people, processes, technology, and resources, all working together to achieve specific goals. In simple terms, a business exists to solve a problem or meet a need in a sustainable way. Please give a thumbs up in the comment section if you feel you now understand what a business is. Thank you. Now to, what is analysis? Please pause the video and go to the comment section and add your thoughts in response to the question. Literally, analysis means examining something closely so we can understand it better, spot problems, and find solutions. It is about taking complex information and breaking it into smaller pieces so we can understand it better. Analysis involves taking complex information and breaking it into smaller parts so we can understand it more clearly. Analysis involves 1. Breaking things down into smaller parts, looking at each component to understand the whole. 2. Asking why, how, and what if, questioning to uncover causes and possibilities. 3. Identifying patterns, gaps, and root causes, spotting trends, missing elements, or underlying problems. 4. Making informed decisions based on facts and evidence, using the insights gained to guide actions wisely. In simple terms, analysis means understanding a situation deeply before acting. Please give a thumbs up in the comment section if you feel you now understand what analysis is. Thank you. If we combine what we mean by business and analysis, what do you think business analysis is? Please pause the video and go to the comment section and add your thoughts in response to the question. Business analysis is the practice of identifying business needs, problems, or opportunities and recommending solutions that deliver value to stakeholders. The International Institute of Business Analysis, IIBA, define business analysis as a practice of enabling change in an organization context by defining needs and recommending solutions that deliver values to stakeholder. Please give a thumbs up in the comment section if you feel you now understand what business analysis is. Thank you. Number 4. Who is then a business analyst? Please pause the video and go to the comment section and add your thoughts in response to the question. In a simple term, a business analyst is someone who comes into an organization and helps it identify, define, and understand the people, process, and technology, PPT, challenges or needs. They then work with various stakeholders to provide solution options to address those challenges. What do we mean when we say people, process, and technology, PPT, challenges or needs? People challenges or needs are issues related to employees, customers, or stakeholders, e.g. lack of skills, poor communication, etc. Process challenges or needs are problems in how work is done, e.g., inefficient workflows, delays, etc. And technology challenges or needs are issues with tools, systems, or software, e.g., outdated systems, integration problems, etc. What do we mean when we say to identify? To identify means to recognize or spot the challenges or needs within the organization. What do we mean when we say to define? To define means to clearly describe and document the identified challenges or needs. This involves giving specific details about the problem, such as its scope, impact, and stakeholders affected. It ensures everyone in the organization understands exactly what the issue is. In simple terms, defining is about making the problem clear and understandable for everyone. What do we mean when we say to understand? To understand means to analyze and gain deep insight into why the challenge exists, how it affects the organization, and what the root causes are. This helps in identifying the best possible solutions and requires asking questions, looking for patterns, and connecting the dots between people, process, and technology. In simple terms, understanding is about knowing the problem deeply, so it can be solved effectively. What do we mean when we say a business analyst works with various stakeholders to provide solution options? To help us answer these questions properly, let's split them into two. 1. Who are the stakeholders a business analyst need to work with? 2. What are solution options? To address the first question, a stakeholder is anyone who is affected by or has an interest in the project, process, or system. This includes employees, managers, customers, IT teams, vendors, or even regulators, etc. So a business analyst communicates, collaborates, and gathers input from these people. What are the solution options to be provided by the business analyst after collaboration with the stakeholders to identify, define, and understand the challenges in people, process, and technology, PPT? The business analyst proposes different ways to address these issues. The goal of the solution options is to offer multiple options so stakeholders can decide the best course of action. These solution options may include 1. Improving workflows or processes. 2. Introducing new technology or upgrading systems. 3. Training or reorganizing people roles, etc. In summary, the role of a business analyst includes 1. Investigating and analyzing business situations. This is about understanding the current business environment, identifying problems, gaps and opportunities, and analyzing people, process and technology. It answers the question, what is really going on in the business? 2. Identifying problems, gaps, and opportunities for improving the business. This is about exploring different ways the business can improve, assessing the impact, feasibility, cost, and benefits of each option and recommending the most suitable solutions. This answers the question, what are our options and which is best? 3. Elaborating and defining requirements. This is about clearly documenting what the business needs from a solution, translating business needs into understandable requirements, and ensuring requirements are complete, clear, and agreed upon. This answers the question, what exactly do we need the solution to do? And 4. Ensuring effective implementation in line with business needs. This is about supporting delivery teams during implementation, validating that the solution meets the defined requirements, and ensuring the final outcome delivers real business value. This answers the question, did we build the right solution? Please pause the video and take your time to think through the 4 points. Thank you. Please give a thumbs up in the comment section if you feel you now understand who is a business analyst.